Isn't that cat so cute? Hello and welcome to the RocwooD channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at RWCHT3, the RocwooD electric heater 2000 watt. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Taking a look at the shipper box, it's made of perfect recycled cardboard, also featuring the product image on the front along with the RocwooD logo. This product is very highly rated, being a 5-star product. Here is a review posted recently online. This is a second unit purchase. I am truly impressed by the effectiveness, reliability, operation of this space warmer. The entire process, purchasing this unit to the final received product, are delightful. The metal guards are packed separately in their own little bag. There is 2 provided. The space heater is wrapped in a bag to keep it protected and to stop dust from getting into the fan. All screws and nuts and washers are all located in this bag, which is sealable so nothing falls out. And finally, there's an instruction manual for 3 and 4, as 4 is only just a more powerful version at 3000 watts. Here's what all the products look like laid out. As you can see, there are 2 different types of washers. These go in between the stands to hold up the fan. There are also the big screws, these go on the other side of it. If you stand up closely, it's got rubber grips so the fan does not slide off. The rubber grips easily slide off when you want to wipe down the product. Please make sure you put both washers on when screwing in the product, the big one on the inside and the smaller one on the outside. Here is the space heater fully complete. The heater has 2 different heat option output settings, which are 40 watt and 2000 watt. On the lower setting, the 40 watt, the heater can be used as a conventional fan. Here are the specifications of the product. The power output is 2 kW. There are 2 heat settings, 400 watt to 2000 watt. There's a manual reset thermostat at 45 degrees Celsius. The voltage is 220 to 240 volts. Dimensions are 230 by 220 by 290 millimeters, and the weight is 3 kilograms. In this line, there are many other products. Here are the most recommended ones if you want an upgrade from this one. There is the propane gas heater at 30 kW. There's also the space heater with wheels, and along with the 10 kW watt space heater as well. These all involve diesel and paraffin, however there also is an electric version as well. And don't forget about the 3000 watt version of this one too. The product also features a self-resetting thermal cutout, which will switch off the heater to ensure the safety of the unit in case it overheats. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please enjoy the video of my cat relaxing in front of the heater.